release 15, you had the main new radio specifications, you had the 5G system phase 1, right? The basics of everything came as part of release 15. So you can use release 15 and you can roll out your 5G network. And all the networks which we see today, anywhere in the world, they're all release 15. And ideally, they should all be release 15 late drop compliant. So, the late drop as in which was finalized in June this year, that's the one you should use. Because if you have something before that, there is some kind of what they call as the non-backward compatible changes. So NBC is what 3GPP refers to. So you have everything in place to roll out a 5G network. Then this is what is being finalized right now as part of release 16. So, the feature freeze will happen probably end of this year or early next year, and then you will have all the specifications freeze, the ASNs freeze. If you notice, is there a laser? Yeah, if you notice, the two main things, the massive machine type communication, so you have the industrial IoT, and the URLLC enhancements will be part of this release 16 drop. So after this specification, you can actually start thinking about, do we want to roll out URLLC network? If we want, right, what do we need? What spectrum do we need? Right? Then there is also this V2X, right, vehicle to everything. V2X has been going around for such a long time since the release 13 days or release 14 days when the first drop of specifications came. So hopefully after this one, this is something the operators and the people from the verticals, they can use to implement V2X, right? So China is going to be probably the first country who is going to have V2X, the 5G V2X mandatory in the vehicles. I don't know the timelines, but then the GSMA and some of the standards body, other standard bodies, they are trying to make it compulsory in Europe as well. So they are trying to push the regulators, European regulators, to say like, look, this should be mandatory in the vehicles. So in addition, there are this 5G enhanced efficiency and other enhancements, right? Unlicensed spectrum. So you can use the Wi-Fi spectrum along with the licensed spectrum.